We are in a very dangerous moment.
You ain't seen nothing yet. Women are going to control their bodies.
What is happening here? What is happening here? Women's fundamental health decisions are her own to make.
I am spitting mad over this.
For as angry as Democrats are over today's decision, it is a political gift for the midterms and finally gives Democrats something to be talking about rather than playing defense on inflation. So it should come as no surprise that within minutes of the Supreme Court decision, out went the fundraising email. Quote, can you chip in $15 so we can win the midterms and finally codify reproductive rights into law? This is an email from Nancy Pelosi. Our only option is to marshal a response so historic, $100,000 gifts before midnight, that we defeat every anti-choice Republican that made this happen. Our politics producer, Lindsay Borma, pointed out that the fine print of the email says the money goes to Pelosi's personal reelection campaign, but I digress. Lauren Wright is here. Steph Knight as well. Lauren Wright, Associate Research Scholar and Lecturer in Politics and Public Affairs at Princeton University. Steph Kite with Axios. Ladies, good to see both of you. Indeed, Lauren, you and I have talked for 6 months, and every time you say nothing trumps the economy. It's the economy, stupid, for the midterms. Can abortion not only motivate the base, which we know it will, can it swing persuadable suburban moms in Georgia, Missouri, thinking about Arizona Senate as well?
Yeah, I mean, in a lot of these swing states, there is broad support for abortion in at least some cases. And just because the economy and gas prices will still probably be top of mind, that doesn't mean that a marginal shift in opinion that takes abortion from a back burner issue to the front of people's minds can't have a very meaningful impact. I mean, if you think about it, for voters in Georgia, for instance, for moderate voters that are in the midst of a Senate race, and, you know, when you have a constitutional protection of abortion, and Herschel Walker comes out and says, I'm for an all-out ban, 0.0 exceptions in all cases, that hits very differently when those protections are taken away. Or Ron Johnson in Wisconsin saying, I don't see what the big deal is. Women can just drive to Illinois. Those comments now are sitting in a very different context for a lot of women voters and for a lot of moderate voters.
Yeah, excellent points on each one of those races. Steph, big picture, Democrats have been really criticized by even moderates in their own party for focusing too much on student debt, police reform, trans rights, protections for dreamers, all these sort of luxury issues, if you will. Is there enough sort of shock in today for the entire Democratic apparatus to focus now only on abortion as this issue?
I mean, I think we've already seen, you know, all of the Democratic arms, Democratic operatives, Democrats in Congress, abortion rights advocates already kind of get behind this message. I think we're starting to see them focus on this as a key issue going into November. But of course, the question is whether they can keep the energy up through November, whether this will continue to be top of mind for voters when they go to the polls months from now. And, you know, I think the other thing that will be interesting to watch is whether it's equally as potent in every state, depending on how states act moving forward from here on their own state abortion laws and how that pans out. I think all of those are factors that will determine just how potent of an issue this is in November.
Thanks for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to subscribe. Click the red button to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.